So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will show you how to access dark web using your phone. Okay, so it is done safely. Here I am showing the full process. Okay, so firstly you need to have Orbot and Tor browser. So downloading Tor browser, you can search for Tor browser in Play Store and you can download that. And overall for Orbot, you can go in Google Chrome and search for Orbot download, and then after that you can see something like https orbot.app. Go there, just scroll down, you will see something Guardian project website. Okay, click there and then download that particular apk. Okay, after downloading that apk you need to install that. Do it on your own, as Orbot and Tor browser doesn't support uh, video recording, okay, screen recording. So I will record it using my another phone. Okay, so just stay here and watch the full process. Okay, as I will not go in deep, first you need to be connected with the VPN here using Orbot. Okay, after that open your Tor browser. Okay, after opening Tor browser you need to wait for some minute or second, it's depending on your internet connection. After that you need to search for a link. I will be giving you that link in description. Then it will give you something like hey Maya. Okay, so after getting in this particular page you need to search for Tordex. Okay, you will get in this particular AMI page by my description. Go through the link which I will be giving in your description. Okay, now you need to click on uncensored onion. Okay, search engine Tordex. After that you are inside Tordex. Okay, you can read about Tordex and you can understand what it does. Or in the search for anything item, you can search for what you want. Okay, like here I am searching for, see here what I am searching for. And also you can use the other search engines or different sites to see your data, how you can visit and how you can get it here. Okay, so you can explore on your own. As I am inside something like what I have searched, that you have seen. Okay, so I will not say that. Okay, so you can see that. Now here I came back and you can see what I am searching for. I am searching for something, you can see there. So after that you can see the results what I am getting. Okay, so all these things are like related to dark web and you can explore much more as per your choice. Okay, so it's a short video for your understanding. Okay, so if you want a deep and detailed video on dark web and dark web series, so just comment down in the comment section. Hopefully you will learn something new and you are seeing the full process. If it's helpful and you will learn something new, that please like and subscribe. Okay, see, that's all guys. Okay, so meet you in next video. Till then, bye.